When you post a status update on LinkedIn, it goes through several stages of processing based on the algorithm. First and foremost, they'll sort through the text, image, or video you've shared, and from there, they'll then categorize it into one of three buckets: spam, low quality, or clear. Your aim in stage one is to simply reach the clear mark. Once your post is clear, LinkedIn will then send your content to a very small segment of your connections to predict how well it scored. Based on the number of likes, comments, or shares you receive in your post within the first hour, they'll then determine its popularity, which will in turn dictate whether or not they continue pushing your content out to more people inside and outside of your network. Now, one way to gamify or hack this algorithm is to be part of an engagement pod or start your own. A pod is essentially a group of LinkedIn users who all agree to like, comment, or share one another's posts as soon as it goes live. In the past few months of using this exact same strategy, our content has reached over 6.5 million views, and we average 30,000 views per post. As a result, we've generated hundreds of leads and thousands of followers. To learn how you can set up your own engagement pod on LinkedIn, check out the article below.